guys, it's Hannah here, and today I wanted to do an unboxing on my August Happie Scrappie subscription. Now I love the Happie Scrappie kits, so I thought, like just what I do with the little bits boxes from Mommy Lay, maybe I should just unbox these on camera every month as well. And I also want to mention that I do have a coupon code for Happie Scrappie, which is Hannah's Haven 10. You can use this code when you shop for everything on the Happie Scrappie website except for the kits and the sticker albums. But she has a lot of other awesome stuff too, so you should definitely check it out. And yeah, now let's just get into it. So I am subscribed to the A5 rings kit, as you can see, as well as the sticker kit. And I'm gonna start with the sticker kit because I don't know, it's the smaller one. So because I'm subscribed to 2 or more kits, I get an extra like multiple subscriber freebie. And this is what that one looks like. And let's see the stickers. All right, so, ooh, there's more in here. Oh yes, there is. Okay, so there's a little extra stuff. These are usually multiples. I usually get these in here as well. Like every single kit gets them, so. But I never mind to have, you know, duplicates because that just means you get more cute stuff, or you can use them and then use them again. So first, there's these really cute little stickers. Are these on clear? I feel like they are. And it's gorgeous hollow, as you can see. It's little chubby unicorns. How cute is that? Now this kit was like in kind of celebration of Sam, the owner's birthday. So it was pretty much all things she loves, I think. So there were like unicorns and there's like a little bit of galaxy theme, I guess. And then we get a few die cuts here. We have this washi stack with a unicorn on top, so cute. We have this sticky note that says sparkle like a unicorn. I believe that's either Any Plans or See Amy Draws hand lettering. Super pretty. And we have this really cute one, which is a mason jar unicorn. That's adorable. Now let's get into the stickers and see what we have in here. So first we have a sheet of, these look glossy, but it's because they have like a glitter overlay and you can only really see it in very specific lighting and it doesn't really show up right now. And these full boxes are so cute. I love all the pastel colors. And then we have, okay, that's upside down. Okay, everything is upside down, so I'm just gonna do this. We have these sticky notes. I love these. These make your planner look so cute. We have some checklists, quarter boxes, the bottom washi, and some more stuff, some half boxes and functionals, lots of day covers, sorry, headers, lots of headers, and let's see, here we have day covers and some deco, and here we have more day covers, 2 sets. I always love that we get 2 sets. And that is the sticker kit. I believe it's like 7 sheets? Yes, 7 sticker sheets in the sticker subscription. Now let's see what's in this one. This is like the main one, which it is the more expensive one, and you also get a lot more in it, so, you know. Oh, look at that super cute sticker! It's so adorable! Oh my goodness! Okay, let's see. Oh, there's so much. Okay, so this kit was really special, and you're gonna see just how special real soon. I mean, this is the August kit, and this video goes up in October, so I know it's pretty late. I did get this pretty late though, so that's why. But the main reason that it's super special is because of this washi. This is a Happie Scrappie and Simply Gilded collab, and it's gorgeous. Now let's open it to see how gorgeous it really is. Alright, so here we go. So it's this gorgeous like watercolor in the background. I feel like it would look so pretty on a white background, like on paper. And we have hollow bows, and it says unicorn, dream, glitter, sparkle. There's some really just fun words. And there's the unicorn cake. Do you see it? It's adorable! So cute! This washi is so gorgeous. And then we have the pen of the month. Now this one is actually high quality. Then usually it's just like plastic pens, but this one is metal. And I fear that mine is leaking a little because it feels a little sticky. Hopefully it's not leaking and it just feels that way. But either way, it's this gorgeous glitter pen. Look at this. It's so pretty. I love the sparkles inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we have this like ombre effect on the barrel here. So it is, you know, like just a twist pen like this. And it does come with ballpoint, but Sam has sent also a gel pen refill. So for those who don't like ballpoint, they can just change it to gel if they prefer. Now I like both, so I think I might just keep the pen this way and save this one for later or for some other pen. Alright, so the next little thing here are some star tabs that you can put in your planner, well, as tabs. And oh, so here's a little pocket of cuteness. Look at these. These are like really big stickers, like decal stickers kind of. Those are gorgeous. It's a little unicorn gumball machine and the washi stack again. I love these and I think they're on clear. I'm not sure if they are clear though, but I feel like it's really nice quality. I love that. And then we have these again, so I have 4 total. That's awesome because I love them. Then we have the mini sticker kit that comes in the planner subscription. Here we have quarter boxes and functionals, full boxes, and checklist and some sticky notes again. These are tabs too. Oh, that's so cute. I love those. Here we have the stars and these are foiled. That's so cute. Also, I think these are on clear because you can see the sticker paper is different on these in comparison. So yeah, but that's so gorgeous. Wow, I love that. And then we get into, okay, oh yeah, that's right. So there's a patch too. I almost forgot about this, but this is so cute. And it's actually like a sticker. So you just peel the back off. You can stick it on anything. And that I love. So let's see, here we have the papers and the inserts. So first we have some more stickers. These are day covers. And let's see, we have the papers. Okay, so the papers in this kit are gorgeous. We have 2 of each, I believe, which is a standard. So, oh wow, it's like a glitter silver. That is so cool, look at that. And the inside is this, that is so cute. My goodness. And then we have another one. Yep, I love that you get doubles. Oh my goodness, this vellum is gorgeous. Look, it's rainbow foil. That's so pretty. I love that. Sparkle like a unicorn. That's so cute. Another vellum. Oh, I love this one too. It's pink foiled bows. Oh, that's adorable. And here we have another paper. And this is a collab, I think. Yes, with Once More With Love. Because you have that little like cake pop looking like a munchkin there. And oh yeah, that's right, on the inside it's like a mega collab with so many shops that have unicorns. I don't even think I can mention all of them, but pretty much every single new cake pop has a new character. It's crazy. And then we get into the inserts. So okay, so I believe this is like a week on 2 pages, kind of a horizontal style. So you can have like each day of the week like this, and then you can have like notes and to-do list here. And let's see, I do believe we get quite a few of those. We usually do. Okay, yes, so almost all the inserts. This stack right here is just like the weekly ones. And then we have the rest. Oh yeah, so the rest are dot grid, as you might be able to see. And it has a really pretty glitter border as well as little chunky unicorns. They're so cute. And the back of that is that little mason jar. I love these! Alright guys, so that was everything for this video. Let me know if you're excited for more Happie Scrappie unboxings. I'm pretty sure the next one will arrive pretty quickly to me, since it's the September kit and it's already October, so yeah. But now I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now!